Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. This video is going to be a little different. Most everybody knows and has heard that Ozzy Osbourne and Hulk Hogan passed away last week. There's another one that passed away that, well, meant just as much to me. Shinsaku Tamiya. He kind of shaped my childhood a little bit. Well, my teenage years anyways. And he made a lot of iconic RC cars, which, in case you couldn't tell by this channel, I'm kind of into them. And I've had probably 24 of these Tamiya Clodbusters in my lifetime. Well, hi Bubba, you're blocking the camera, buddy. Oh, it's a butt shot. Oh, you all get that. Oh. Anyhow, back to the regular scheduled program. Well, these two have been sitting unfinished on my shelf now for quite a while. You know, this one doesn't have any paint on it, obviously. This was going to be the TNT Stomper Bully. And this was a race truck that I built. It has an old race chassis that I built back in the early 2000s under. I designed and 3D printed a behind the axle steering kit for this. But I recently broke it, so I don't know if I'm going to revamp that and reprint it. I don't know, but that needs fixed on it. Obviously, there are quite a few things that need done to both of them. So I thought that it's well past time to dig these two off of the shelf and do something with them. So to honor Shinsaku Tamiya's legacy and this icon, I'm going to build not one but two brand new Tamiya Clodbusters. Now, like I said earlier, I've had a couple dozen of these things in my lifetime, but I've never built a Tamiya Clodbuster new out of the box. Of all of them that I've had, none of them have been brand new. So this would be a first for me. I'll probably start with this one because I've already got parts and a plan lined up for it. Not sure how I'm going to do this one yet. Maybe I'll take it and, toss on a Juggernaut body and, morph them together to make something cool like this. Or, maybe not. I guess I'll have to think about it. Let's get back to this, though. This is a first for me. I've never opened one of these new. Man, I've been wanting to do this for a long time. That new Clod smell. Wow. It's very, very cool. Now, my intentions are not to do a unboxing video. There's enough of them on YouTube. Hi, Willies. What are you doing, girl? I may do a partial build video, but I'm not going to go through all the squammy details of this, not unless somebody asks. There's enough of that stuff on YouTube already. I will not be using this body on this build. There's the body that's going on this one. Yep, Bigfoot. The truck that started it all, on the RC truck, that started the monster truck craze as well. So, yeah. I just feel like those two go together. So that's what I'm going to build. Like I say, I've got some other parts for this already. They're just smaller parts, nothing major. Steering kit and some aluminum bracing, and that's about it. I will be using the stock tub, stock tires, and the stock wheels. on this build. I'm probably designing a 3D print a body mount system for this, so I don't have to put clips in it. I did get the clipless one. Other than that, folks, it's pretty much going to be just a plain Jane old Clodbuster. I got motors for it already. I'll use the stock ESC. I will be putting the ball bearing kit in it. I don't know if anybody else has any other suggestions I should do to it. Leave a comment. Let me know. I'd like to know. Beyond that, I'm gonna get started on this thing. So I'll and that'll be another video because I'll probably document it as well. I don't know how much of it you'll see, but I'm kind of looking forward to starting on this thing. So that being said, I get to build a Clodbuster new out of the box. This is kind of a long-awaited little project right here. I should have done this years ago, but for some reason I didn't. Hi, Willies. So I want to thank y'all for watching. A bit surreal for me. I have to say I've never done this before. Never built a new one. I'm excited. So thanks for tuning in. We'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks. Bye.